Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika, the channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna dive into the Vexels. The Vexels.com is kind of like a similar to the Creative Fabrica. We will going to take a review of that and whether we're going to see whether this website is really worth it for print-on-demand designs, for print-on-demand business or not. So we're going to dive into my laptop in a second and I'm gonna be talking about the Vexels.com. Is it really worth it? Should you really need to go with this website for the graphics, for the mock-up? A lot more is there on their website. So we will going to together reviewing the Vexels.com on in this video. So let's dive in. Before we consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Now, I haven't been using much of the Vexels right now, but recently I came across the Vexels.com and I see that it could be a great opportunity. So I thought that why not make a review video and let's go into the Vexels.com and see what perks they are having, how much does it cost and everything about it, how we can use it for our print-on-demand business. Guys, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can also support me and my channel on the Patreon, getting early access to my YouTube videos. A lot of the stuff is there in my Patreon. The link is in description box below. You can list niche ideas. A lot more is there in my Patreon. Make sure you check it out. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's get straight onto my laptop and I'm gonna talk about the Vexels and we will going to together explore the Vexels.com on our laptop. Now we are going to review the Vexels.com. Now I think I have mentioned in one of my video previously about the Vexels.com, the graphics and the designs. I made a video talking about what exactly the Vexel is and actually reviewing it. I'll leave the link of this platform, this website in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. When you're gonna land over to the homepage of the Vexels.com, you're gonna see the merge, the perfect for merge sellers looking to improve their designs and business. You can go to the merge and you have a design tool as well. So you can go to the designs. Scroll down, you're gonna see the vector graphics for merge and design. So this is for the merge. If you're selling on the merge by Amazon, if you're selling complete in the merge, then these are the designs. Let's take a look at the designs. Okay, these are pretty useful. You can use it. The Earth Day one, that's kind of like a trending one. Then the 5th de Mayo, that's a Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo designs are popular right now because it's the 5th of May coming soon. Now latest merge and t-shirt coloring pages bundle for your KDP, so that's interesting. Let's scroll down. Scalable t-shirt PSDs. So you have the PSD t-shirts designs and templates if you are looking forward to one, the PNG SVG files. Then they also have the mockup for merch, so that's pretty interesting. They have the mockup generator, the t-shirt maker they have. Then they also have the logo maker, so that's pretty interesting. A lot of the stuff is there, right? Can't find what you are looking for, request a custom design, you can request as as well. Now I'm gonna go over to the option over here, the graphics, and you're gonna see a lot of the options there are. The merge ready designs, the vector designs, PNG, SVGs, PSD mockups, PSD t-shirts. If I'm gonna click over to the PNG and SVGs, you can grab these PNGs and SVG files for your merge. Similarly, likewise, you grab in the Creative Fabric. See the option over here. The transparent PNG SVG, the stroke is there. See the style, t-shirt maker added colors, so you can add the colors. Let's take a look at that, how you're going to add the colors. It's a black right now. Now if you choose whatever color you want to, for example, if I'm choosing an orange color, so that's pretty interesting. You are changing color and then you can very well download it. Let's take a look at some other. This one was the line art. So let me take someone which is a fully colorful, and let's take this donut. Maker, you can have the color. So let's see how you can edit the color. So that's pretty interesting. You can edit every single color over here. Likewise, you can do in the Canva itself. Like you can select this black, could be the red. Their graphic section, that is a PNGs and SVG. PSD mockup files are also there. PSD t-shirts are also there. So if you're actually using a template, then very well, let's go forward. There you can see the PSD mockups are there. So that's pretty interesting. You can use these mockup files not just for your print-on-demand, but also for your own. If you're selling on your own website as well, you can very well use these mockups. You can use it for Etsy or for any other platform where you're selling your merch and pretty much everything. Niches, topics, styles, collections, and categories. If I take a look at the niches, like that was the graphic, right? Now I'm gonna take a look at the niches. What's exactly there in the niches? You can see the designs for all the t-shirts, merch niches. So you can see the niches, what are the niches they are having, the designs for, the graphics, the culture, finances, tennis, art, astrology. Like you can see a lot of the niches they are having, and you can very well grab. So that's pretty interesting and amazing. A great alternative to the Creative Fabrica. Like if you're looking forward to get the cool graphics, patterns, and textures, and all those stuffs, then you can very well have it. And little bit more, they have more stuff as well. Like they have the tools, the PSD mockups, the PSD t-shirt designs, the merch ready-made designs. Then they have the products. So what are the products? Let's take a look at that. If I'm going to the tote bag, let's see what's the product is there. Jar tote bag design. Okay, so it's completely focusing on a tote bag. So it's actually customized and made according to your tote bag. Like you can simply go over and download this one and you're getting that design, right? Maker, logo maker, design request, merchandise it and blog. Let me take a look at the mockup generator, because I think like you can have a design of this particular dress, like the shirt, and you can select the different kinds of the mockups, and you can do a lot of the stuffs over here. So I think it's pretty interesting the way you can use it. Let's take a look at the what's there in the new filter. So they also are having a filters, so you can use a different filter if you want to. That's pretty interesting. If I'm choosing this related markup, like stuff is there, you can getting the idea over here. Like if I'm selecting this particular, so you could see you can use it for the Halloween designs if you're actually using this mockup. And I think it's pretty much interesting, the mockup generator. I like this one, seriously. Okay, let's take a look at the other tools, the t-shirt maker, the logo maker. Then they have the new designs, new merch design, new graphic assets, new merch and graphic assets, and what's trending and featured. So they have a lot more on their platform, not just the graphics or textures or patterns. You can have the t-shirt maker, logo maker, product mockup, then you have the design request. A lot of stuff is there. And I pretty much like this platform depending on the graphics they are having, and depending on the graphics actually optimized for each and every single product. Whether it's a tote bag, whether it's a t-shirt, a notebook, whatever it is. So that's great if you are someone completely newbie to this world and you don't know how to optimize your work or your art for different products. This is something you can really take a look at that. The posters, logos, and all that. We can take a look at the KDP designs. Let's take a look at that. Like if you are selling your KDP books, different. Let me take an example of this one. My dream over here. A cover design, you get ready that print made, and this is a cover design you're getting. Yes, likewise, you can also get the KDP interior. So you're getting the KDP cover and KDP interior. Both of them, you can very well grab it over here. Wow, this one is pretty interesting. The cannabis tracker and KDP interior. You can see these are pretty beautiful ones. You can very well use it. So I think that this is an amazing platform for print on demand, for designs, for KDP, for mockup, for free or paid. What is their price plan? How much does it cost? Let's take a look at that. You're gonna see they have the three plans basically. It's a subscription based platform, similarly like the Creative Fabrica. So if you're going with a March, for those just starting out, you can have $18.99. 226 billed annually. You're getting 100 downloads per month. Okay, 2 design requests per month. So you can also request the designs if you want something new design for a specific occasion. Then t-shirt maker, mockup generator, and logo maker. So that's interesting. If you're going with a March Plus, $31.99, you're getting 200 downloads per month. Double them. 4 design requests, and you're getting t-shirt maker, mockup generator, logo maker. And if you're going with the March Ultimate, then you are getting $64.50. You're getting 2,000 downloads per month, a design request, t-shirt maker, mockup generator, and logo maker. So if you're a completely newbie, you can get started with $18.99. Designs, the create custom t-shirt design online and easy. You can see this was the subscription I was talking about. But if you're looking forward to go with the lifetime payment, like you have to pay just once and you don't have to have a monthly subscription, then you can very well go with the business lifetime and merch lifetime. In the merch lifetime, you're getting a merch sellers print on demand platform, retail stores, $690 one-time payment only. Okay, and if you're going with the business lifetime, that's a $1875 one-time payment only. So I think it's a pretty much amazing, interesting platform. The licenses for merch by Amazon, Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy, ZAZZLE. So you can use the multiple different platforms, their designs, their mockup. In my opinion, the Vexel.com is a worth website for your designs, for mockup generator, for logo maker, whatever for your print on demand business. It's really worth it. Make sure you check out this website. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below. You can very well check it out and you can very well use it. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what do you think. Enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever tried Vexels.com? Have you ever purchased anything from their website? I would really love to hear about your own experience working with the Vexels in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.